Hi, today we are going to learn easy way to solve word problems in set theory by using Venn diagrams. As you can see here we have a set A and set B, and this is the intersection part of set A and B. What do we mean by intersection? Suppose we have a set A with elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elements. In B, there are 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 elements in B. And as you can see, the 4 and 5 are common to both the sets. So we can very well write a 4 and a 5 in the intersection area. That means the common area. The elements left in only A are 1, 2, 3. This is called the elements of only A. And in only B, we have 6, 7 as the element. So this is how we fill up the Venn diagram. A intersection B, as we can see, it is 4 comma 5. That is the elements which are common to both. A union B means the whole blue part, as you can see, the whole blue part as well as the whole orange part plus the intersection part also is included. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as the union of A and B. A union B means all the elements present in A and B together. We don't need to write the 4 and 5 again and again. These are the common elements which have to be written only once. Let's see a problem quickly. We do it using this concept. So we have a question wherein 25% families of a town owned a phone, 15% owned a car, and 65% are owning neither a phone nor a car. So this is something new, neither a phone nor a car. That means, as you can see again from the figure, these are the people who own a car, these are the people who own a phone, and here this is the common area wherein people own car as well as phone. So what about this dotted area now? This dotted area, which is the white one, is the area wherein people don't even have a car or don't even have a phone. That means 65% owned neither a car or a phone. They don't have. That means A union B is only 35%. That is the green and the orange percent is 35%, because everything is 100% minus 65% becomes 35%. So here what we do is we start with, let the number of families be 100x. Why we are taking it as 100x? Because if we take x, then because everything has been given in percentage, there will be a lot of fraction. If I take 100x, then the number of families owning a phone will be 25% of 100x. 25% of 100x, that means 25 by 100 into 100x. That gives me a 25x, which is so easy now. Plus there has been given 15% owned a car. Okay, so we can directly write as 15x here. Here we have a 25x, and A union B has been given to me as 35% of 100x, that is 35x. So we have this data here. Plus we have another data, 2000 families owned a car as well as a phone. So that means 2000 comes in here. So now let me just quickly fill in the data. Okay, so we are filling in 25% owned a phone. So 25 owned a phone, that means it is going to be 25x here. Let me write 25x here. This will be 15x as we calculated. 65% own neither a phone nor a car, and this area was 2000. So here we can very well write A union B is equal to 35x as we calculated earlier. And when we use the formula for A union B as we had seen earlier, it is number of elements of A, number of elements of B minus the number of elements common to both. While filling in the values, I can fill it a 35x on the left hand side. Suppose we call this as phone means A, set A, and this is suppose, okay, car is on this side. So let's fill it up as car is A. So set A means 25x. So it will be 25x plus this is 15x minus the common part is 2000 because they are owning both. When we calculate this, it comes to be minus 5x is equal to minus 2000. So this will give me the value of x as 400. So first of all, you can see this x comes to be 400 and the total percentage of the families which is required in the question. Let me have a look at the question once again. In totality, how many families lived in the town? Plus what percentage of families owned either a car or a phone? So either a car or a phone is, first part is 35% owned either a car or a phone, and second part the total number of families. Total number of families is 100x. If you remember, we had taken in the beginning, that means 100 into 400. That makes it 400,000. That is 40,000 families. 40,000 families in all are there in the town. So that's all.